Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2012 Honda Civic. You're going to find the engine air filter on the front right side of the engine. You're going to find 3 clips on this air box. You're going to find one here, here, and here. We're just going to undo all those 3. Now it is a bit of a tight squeeze, but you are going to be able to just lift this up till it hits the top cowl, and then you can feed out the engine air filter like that. When you go to reinstall the filter, make sure the angle here goes in on the far left side of the air box. And now we're just going to put all 3 clips back in. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So if you found value from the video, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos that provide step-by-step instructions and share tips and tricks along the way. Share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel as well, and I'll see you in the next one.